So here's the second part of I'm adding the battery, the SD card, and charging the GoPro. They have that cover um, on the GoPro. Make sure that it's protected, as well as on the front it says the camera must be updated before you can use it. So you need to update it before using it. And there's also, it's also wrapped around, so basically they had made sure that it's all protected in the packaging, which is good. You can, this one you can just tear it out, or you can be careful with it. It took me a little bit because it was, so you can just tear it up, and that's your GoPro. It has additional buttons on it and some additional parts that you don't find in the previous GoPro, but basically it works the same. You have the power button there, your screen, and on the top, the difference is on the top there's an attachment for the light. So here's the second step. So the second step is you have to put the battery inside the GoPro. So basically when you receive your GoPro, you don't have the battery in there. This is how to open it. It took me a while to open it. See, I will show you just a little bit how it took me forever, because it says to push it in. I did push it. See, I push it. It took me forever, and that's the hard part. It's a little tricky. So I'm gonna show you how to open it very quickly, because you're gonna be doing what I'm doing if you don't know the quick trick, because I had to look it up. See that? See, it says push it, so I pulled it. And I'm being very careful not to actually break it, but it's supposed to pull up like that. So you pull it a little bit, and which he wasn't doing. So now, so you see that red part. Now let me show you how fast it should be. So here it is. So all you need to do is go to that part, pull it, and see that red part, and then, so you're gonna look at that part, that area. So you pull it, look at the red part. See, when you see the red part, all you need to do is easy, just pull it up, because I was trying to pull it on the side. So push up, push it up where you can see the red part, then pull up. So that's it to open it up. I had to look it up. So again, pull so you can see the red part, and then just pull it on top. Simple. It was actually a little bit tricky, but yes, that's how. And then after that, you grab the battery that's on the package. It is also wrapped carefully, and make sure that when you attach the battery, there's an attachment at the bottom, so make sure it touches. It's the correct attachment. It's when it's attached correctly is when it fits it right, when you can close the GoPro. So if it's attached incorrect, on the incorrect direction, it doesn't close out. So place it in like that, and close it. But actually you don't have to close it yet, because you will need, inside that is your SD card. So again, SD card is not included, so you want to make sure that you bought that, otherwise you would have to go back to the store. So same with the SD card attachment, it doesn't go in if it's in the wrong direction. So it's a mini card actually, so you're gonna go try to push it in, and push it you know it fits if it goes in, and then you just close it up. Easy. And that's it. That's it. It's all in. Now, your next step, since you just actually bought the GoPro, you will need to charge it. Okay, so that's the third step. So there's a wire that is included in your purchase, so make sure you find that opening to charge it. So it's on the side. Again, this one should be easy. You have to, it's just on the same spot where you put your battery on and the SD card, and then, yeah, it will fit, you know, if it's the right wire, if it fits. And then find, so you can charge it to any USB connector. So I have a plug with a USB on it. So what I'm doing is just charging it there like that. You will notice it's starting to charge when you see that red light.